Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar. We have SYML here. And this is the first time. I think it's called Brian from SYML. And with this song called Lost Myself. So SYML almost always do these kind of sad songs. And they're great, very playable this one is. So we will dive into this Lost Myself. So let's start with the capo here on the first fret, and we all have 3 chords. So the chords will be D, A, and G. So starting with D first, we have open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then next will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so we have this strumming we need to look at first before we go into the chords and how they come, and like that. So we will have the strumming, and it needs to be divided into 2 parts, okay? So we can play one round here with the D first. That's the first chord. So one full strumming round will be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So the first part will be down, 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 up. Again. So down, 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 up. And then comes the second part, and that is up, down, 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 up. So again, up, down, down, down. And if we connect these 2 parts, it will be like this. Okay, so there we have the strumming, and now let's start with the actual song. So it will start with 1 full round plus part 1 on D. Then we will play the part 1 again, but you shift to G and play that part 1. And then you play D for 2 rounds. We can stop there. So D, first chord, 1 round plus part 1, then G, part 1, and then D, 2 full rounds. And then we're still here in the first verse, and the lyrics give me time. So on time, you play A, 1 full round. Then you play G, 1 full round. And in the end of this first verse, you play D, 2 full rounds. So this final part here for verse will be A, 1 round, G, 1 round, and D, 2 rounds. So let's go. So there you have the verse. I'm gonna play this verse for you from the beginning to the end, and starting here with D1 plus part 1, and then we go from there. G part 1, D part 2 full rounds. 1 on A, 1 full on G. So that is the first verse. That takes us to the chorus, okay? In the lyrics, breaking through the clouds. Here you're gonna play G 1 full round, A 1 full round, D 1 full round, and G 1 full round. That short little chord progression you will gonna play for 2 rounds. So G1, A1, D1, and G1. And then you're gonna end with G1, A1, and D2. Okay, so I'm gonna play this for you. I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing. I think this is pretty simple to get. So let's start with G1. A1. Okay, so now you pretty much got this song. There's not much new to it. So the second verse right after now will be played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second chorus. After the second chorus comes an instrumental part. I don't need to play through that now. I'm just gonna mention the chords. It will continue with the same strumming, and you're gonna play D2, A1, G1, and D2. Okay, so same strumming, and that's the instrumental part. And then it ends with the third chorus. This one will play in the same way as the previous choruses. The only difference here will be the last chord. Instead of playing D two full rounds, you will just end on D with 1 down. And that's it for SYML's Lost Myself. So, a great song, give it a try, and play tuned.